There I go again, moving things around. Hey guys, Karen Wolf here in the art studio. I am a painter and I can teach you how to paint and become a better painter in an easy to follow step-by-step process. You all just have to have the want, you just have to have the desire, and I can help you out. So what we're doing here this evening is we're going to paint a gnome, I think. I don't know. We'll see. So, y'all say hey when you jump on here so I can see if you're on. I am live, right? Yes. Getting on my iPad here so I can see comments if there are any. Hopefully there will be. How are you all doing? Oh, shoot. Here we are. Gnome. All right. Let's go. Hopefully we'll have better internet than we did last night. Oh, shoot. I forgot to put Wi-Fi on again. I hate it when I do that. All right. Well, hopefully you guys will be able to see me. Oh, I got paint on my 1 inch. Left it out with paint on it. I'll have to put it in my jar of Bristle Magic. All right. So we're going to paint this this gnome here. So, y'all see me there? I'm going to move you in a little bit closer so you can see it. All right. The barn is a painting that I'm doing for the workshop. So you guys can see it. I might pull you in a little bit closer than that, maybe. There we go. Let's see if you can see that. Oh, my daggone iPad's freaking out again. Okay, so there we go. So what we're going to do, we're going to paint this little guy. Let me find my 1/2 inch flat. Never go anywhere without my 1/2 inch flat. Y'all know I love it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, good deal. All right, I have no idea what color I'm going to paint the background. So let's just go with the hat. This is just a Halloween gnome. I don't know. I had painted a painting last year of candy corn, and it had a hat shaped like this, and I really liked it. So I thought I would do the hat with this shape. And I had all kinds of colors marked off. So should we do the hat in different colors, or should we do the hat in just black like a witch's hat? Because I did have the broom here. What do y'all think? Witch's hat, or, come on Tiffany, help me out. Witch's hat, black, solid black, or different colors. And the different colors I'm talking about is like this. Like that. So what do you think? Different colors or just all black? Aw, come on. Nobody has an opinion. Okay, I'll come up with my own. No big deal. All right, let's see. I think we'll do different colors just as well. Just as well. Let's see. Let's do a yellow. Alrighty, let's get on with this. We'll do yellow here. Just get some colors in there. Maybe we'll do 1, 2. Let's see how many colors I've got before I start switching them out. Do an orange here. I'm not sure what color I want that band to be. Maybe brown. Hey Heather, welcome. Hello. And Kathy, hello, hello. Just do black, so we're doing multicolored. Made a decision to just put some color in it instead of just all black and whatnot. Oh my gosh, there's another stupid gnat. I'm telling you the truth. I have had a time with gnats, and I'm about sick of them. We always have trouble. I don't know if you all do or not, but we can. We have a garden, and my husband grows tomatoes and corn and potatoes and beans and all the good stuff. And of course, when he starts bringing in the tomatoes, you know, you get the fruit flies, whatever you call them, sour gnats, fruit flies, whatever. And this year, I do not know what the difference is, but my lands, they're giant for one thing, and they just, oh, they won't go away. They are everywhere in my kitchen, in my bathroom. I just saw one down here. There is no fruit, no food whatsoever in here. Now they might like, they might like paint. Sorry, maybe my paint's stinky or something, but oh my gosh, how do you get rid of them? Hey Pat, welcome. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. I'm just at my wit's end over it. I went over to Drug Emporium yesterday on my lunch and was getting some stuff, and I picked up some of those little traps. My daughter said that those little gnat traps work, but so far not. I would used to put out dishwashing liquid and apple cider vinegar in a container, and it was apple cider vinegar, a little bit of Dawn dishwashing liquid. Orange seemed to work the best, and put it in a little dish, and they would get in it and they'd get caught and they couldn't get out, and it seemed to work pretty good. Well, now it's not working, so I got the trap. The trap didn't work either. You've had trouble with them there too? Yours come in and yeah, tomatoes, yeah. You had them landed in your paint today. Oh my gosh. I know. I was at the eye doctor last week. It was so funny. I was at the eye doctor, and there was one in the office. And I was in there waiting, and I kept seeing it flying around. And I'll be daggone if when he came in there and he was checking out my eyes, which they're still not back to normal yet. So, y'all, I tell you, y'all need to pray for my eyes. These stupid styes, they'll never go away. I guess they're going away, but now I have other issues. So, anyways, there was a gnat flying around in there, and sure enough, as soon as he comes in there, it starts flying around. And I thought, oh my gosh, this thing's going to fly up my nose. But it didn't. I survived. I'm just doing some underpainting here on these little separations in the hat. Just making this little colorful little hat for this little guy. Pretty cute. But yeah, I'm just like, whatever. I don't know how did I get out of order. But yeah, they're annoying. I wish I knew. A friend of mine said do something, put like a pickle jar, pickle juice, put a piece of plastic over top of it and poke it and they'll go down in it. We use the vinegar, I can't even say vinegar and soap, but they are too smart. Yeah, I think that they've gotten smart. I agree with you 100%. That dog's barking. It's probably my daughter coming to get milk. I think she'll know that I'm live because she's on my text thing. So I guess she'll know I'm in here live and not talking to myself. I don't know if I like that thing sticking out that far or not. Have to look at it in the phone. If I look back behind me and I look at my phone, I can see this at a better perspective than when I'm right up in it. Isn't that funny? If you want to see your painting, how it looks good or bad, or see the good or the bad, or figure out what's wrong with it, good or bad, look at it through your phone, your camera phone, and you'll be able to see things that you can't see with your eye. You can see it with your well, hey Amanda, welcome, hun. You'll be able to see it if you look through your phone at your painting. You can see things that you can't see just with your eye. So I just made some gray there by mixing my ultramarine blue, burnt umber, and some white. And that makes a gray color. And I forget what I was talking about earlier before I told you how to make gray. I can't walk, talk, and chew gum at the same time. I'm telling you the truth. I just have no